Dreidel is a small four-sided top which is used as a children's toy or game. Players take turns spinning the dreidel, having the dreidel fall on each Hebrew letter, results in a different action. Our song describes the spinning of the dreidel in the game.